Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the most important 30 ancient history questions. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Let's start the today's session. Who is the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India? The answer is option number B, John Marshall. Important facts about John Marshall. John Marshall held his post for 26 years and helped the associates like Dairam Shaini, R.D. Banerjee, etc. The next question. Which of the following site is located in India? Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal or Chagudaro? And the answer is option number C, Lothal. These are the important sites and discovered by various personalities. Like Harappa was discovered by Dairam Shaini, Mohenjo-daro was discovered by Rakal Das Banerjee, and Chahudro was invented by Mackay. Lothal was discovered by S.R. Rao, and Kalibanga is discovered by Amalanath Ghosh, and Banwali is discovered by R.S. Bilst, and Dodavira was discovered by J.P. Joshi. The next question. Who is known as father of Indian archaeology? Which is option number D, Alexander Cunningham. The Harappa were the earliest people to produce cotton, rice, jowar or millet. And the answer is option number A, cotton. Which of the following state the Canary Caves are located? Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Gujarat or Maharashtra? And the answer is option number D, Maharashtra. Which was the first Tirthangara of the Jainism? Parashvanath, Mahavira, Rishabhanath or Sambarnath? Which is option number C, Rishabha. Here will be a question of the day session. Division of Vedic society into 4 classes mentioned in which Veda? Give your answers in comment section. The answer will be discussed at the end of the session. Let's move on to the next question. The architecture mainly consists Chaityas, Viharas, Stupas and Samhitas. The options are Mauryas, Buddhist, Hindu or Mughal. And the answer is option number B, Buddhist. Who among the following presided the first Buddhist council was held at Rajgirga? Which is option number C. The next question. Which personality is mentioned in the Buddhist text Milanda Panna? Which is option number B, Kalidas. What has been called the incident of relinquishing home by Lord Buddha? Which is option number C, Mahaparinivan. At which place did Gautama Buddha pass away? Both Gaya, Kushinagar, Lumbini or Sarnath? Which is option number B, Kushinagar. When did Indus Valley civilization was discovered? Which is option number B, 1921. What is the nature of Indus Valley civilization is? Rural, urban, agriculture or none of these? Which is option number B, urban. Harappa is situated in the bank of which river? Ravi, Bias, Sutlej or Indus? Which is option number A, Ravi. Which of the following animal did not found in Indus Valley civilization? Lion, tiger, horse or elephant? And the answer is option number D, elephant. Who discovered the Indus Valley civilization? Which is option number A, Dairam Shaini. Which was the earliest capital of Magadha? Vaishali, Banaras, Rajgirga or Pataliputra? which is option number C, Rajkirga. How many states in Mahajanpadas? Which is option number B, 16. Which of the following are ritualistic teachings attached to the hymns of the Vedas? Which is option number A, Brahmanas. The ninth mandala of the Rig Veda Samhita is dedicated to, which is option number A, Soma. Who was the founder of yoga philosophy? Which is option number D, Patanjali. Purusha Sukta is a part of which among the following Veda? Samveda, Rig Veda, Atharva Veda or Yajur Veda? Which is option number B, Rig Veda. In the Rig Vedic Dasaranjan Yuddh, that is Battle of 10 Kings, the Bharatas emerged winner at bank of the Indus River, Saraswati River, Sutlej River or Paruhani River. Which is option number D, Paruhani River. The homeland of the Aryans was Arctic region was propounded by Max Muller, Edward Meyer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Hereford. And it was propounded by Bala Gangadhar Tilak, which is option number C. Which one is the longest epic of the world? Ramayana, Mahabharata, Ramachandramanas, Hanuman Chalisa. Which is option number B, Mahabharata. In which mandal of Rig Veda Gayatri mantra is mentioned? Which is option number A, third mandal. Which of the following Bahamanas says wife is half her husband? Which is option number A, Satapada Brahmana. The Battle of 10 Kings is deficit in which mandal of Rig Veda? Which is option number A, 7th mandal. Which of the following is the oldest Samhita? Which is option number A, Manu Simriti. Total number of Upanishads in India? Which is option number C, 108. The total number of Purnas in India? And which is option number B, 17 Puranas. In the 10th mandal of the Rig Veda, which hymns reflect upon the marriage ceremonies? Which is option number B, Purusha Sukta. Which of the following Vedas is not a part of Veda tree? Which is option number D, Atharva Veda. The four Varnas were mentioned for the first time in which of the following? Which is option number C, Purusha Sukta. Sharanis in ancient India were the association of merchant, farmers, rulers or sepoys. And the answer is option number A, merchant. Which Rig Veda mandala is completely dedicated to Soma? Which is option number C, 9th mandala. Upanishads deals with social behavior of man, religion of the Hindu, ancient Hindu laws, all of them. And the answer is option number A, social behavior of man. Which is the most discussed river in the Rig Veda? Krishna, Godavari, Saraswati or Ganga? And the answer is option number C, Saraswati. Which was the earliest tax of the Vedic people? Which is option number B, Bali. Which one of the following animal was not domesticated by the Vedic people? Cow, horse, goat, or elephant? And the answer is option number D. The elephant was not domesticated by Vedic people. Yeah, this will be a question of the day session. Division of Vedic society into 4 classes mentioned in which Veda? That is, answer is Purusha Sukta. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.